Hello YouTube. Just wanted to give you a quick update. First off, it's October 1st. Yay. I'll be doing Mickey's Not So Scary Halloween Party on October 14th. And on the 16th, I'm going to Universal Studios for a whole day and Halloween Horror Nights. That's good. Those are very good, but today's going to be a special video to announce some upcoming changes to the Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress, which is an animatronic rotating theater show over at Magic Kingdom right here in Orlando, Florida. They're going to add to the opening scene, they're going to completely redo the opening scene, they're going to add a Walt Disney animatronic, similar to the one they're doing over at Disneyland in California for the 70th anniversary of Disneyland. It's going to be the new beginning before the show, and I look forward to seeing that. Let me show you what the current opening for Carousel of Progress actually looks like. Let me pull it up here. There you go.
Walt Disney's Carousel of Progress. Now you're in for a real treat. The Carousel of Progress was Walt's own idea from beginning to end. He loved it. He introduced the show at the World's Fair in New York City in 1964, and it was an immediate smash hit. Millions of people came to see it. And since then, the Carousel of Progress has had more performances than any other stage show in the history of American theater. You know, Walt loved the idea of progress, and he loved the American family. And he himself was probably as American as anyone could possibly be. He thought it would be fun to watch the American family go through the 20th century, experiencing all the new wonders as they came. And he put them together in a show called Carousel of Progress, which we are now about to see. Although our Carousel family has experienced a few changes over the years, our show still revolves around the same theme, and that's progress. May the century begin. There's a great big beautiful tomorrow, shining at the end of every day.
And that is how the show currently runs. I did find concept art of the Carousel of Progress animatronic that's going to be installed in place of that opening segment. It's going to be a lot different, so allow me to show you right now. Let me pull it up here. Sorry. Just a minute. So, yeah, everyone, this is concept art of what it's going to look like at the beginning instead. You can see Walt there, Small World design, Epcot stuff in the background, a parrot animatronic from Tiki Room. Really impressive stuff. They're also going to change a little bit of the family. I don't know what the changes they're going to do to all four families, but we'll see. But basically, that's the video I wanted to tell you guys. We don't have any word on when this is going to happen, but I will let you know, and I'll get a good professional recording of the ride, my own recording to use in videos in the meantime. So if they close it anytime soon, I'll have that recorded and be able to look back on it. I'll be able to show that, hey, good thing I recorded this attraction for you guys to use in the videos, because you guys deserve the best quality. Well, everyone, thanks for watching this quick update. Just wanted to let you know what was going on. Please make sure that you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell to get notified on my latest videos. Please keep on liking, everyone. Get me more subscribers, please. I'm on 180. Let's get to 200. So, thank you all guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.